My dear learners, how are you? I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. You had discussed from the school for a long time in cause of coronavirus. So, we cannot complete our online class in short time. Now, we are going to start our online class again. Now, we are going to discuss about parts of speech today. At first, we are going to discuss about the definition of parts of speech. Definition. Parts of speech are the classification of words categorized by their rules and functions within the structure of the language. There are 8 types of parts of speech in English. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Noun. Noun, the word which indicates any person, things or place, name, that's called noun. Example, I like biology. I like biology. Biology is noun in this sentence. Number 2, pronoun. Pronoun, the word which used instead of noun, that's called pronoun. Example, she wants to be a teacher. She wants to be a teacher. To be a teacher. To be a teacher. Theo. Number 3, adjective. The word which indicate noun or pronouns, fault, quality, situation, etc. is called adjective. Example, he is a good boy. He is a good boy. Good is adjective in this sentence. Adjective. Verb. Number 4, verb. The word which indicate physical and mental work, that's called verb. Example, he wants to make his life glorious. Wants is verb in this sentence. Adverb. adverb. The word which express the nature of verb and adjectives, that's called adverb. Example, Rima walks slowly. Rima walks slowly. Slowly is the adjective in this sentence. Adjective, adverb. Preposition. Our next attempt, preposition. Preposition. The word which situated before noun or pronoun and indicate the relationship of other words in the sentence, that's called preposition. Example, my pen is on the table. On is the preposition in this sentence. Conjunction. 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 The word which combined two words or phrase or clause, that's called conjunction. Example, he is reading. He is reading and writing. Reading and writing. And is the conjunction of this sentence. Interjection. 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 The word which express emotions, feelings, that's called interjection. Example, alas, I am undone. Alas, I am undone. Dear learner, I hope you can understand the lesson properly. If you have any question, you can ask me. I am always ready to give the answer. I hope you will read the lesson and take preparation of the lesson properly at home. No more today, we will discuss another item of grammar in the next class. Thank you very much.